Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to change QuillBot language. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the search bar, type in QuillBot.com and click on enter. You can log into your account by clicking on the profile icon which is at the top right corner. In the options here, you can find English. Simply hover to it and change the language from here. This changes the language of the whole interface. If you want to translate, you can simply tap on the Translate tab which is at the left side of your screen. Now select the language from here and type in your text in this field. Now select the language which you want to translate to. After that, it will be translated automatically. You can also paraphrase the text by clicking on this button. You can simply click on copy button to copy this text. So that is how you can change language in QuillBot. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.